All right, there it is. 2023 KTM 300 XC. KTM 450 XC Recluse clutch. I use this thing for GNCC style racing. It's a great trail bike, woods bike, off-road racer. And then I've got this 2022 Honda CRF 250R. It's great on the motocross track, beats my guts out in the woods. I tried to run it in a couple of these woods races. The fork's just way too stiff. Alright, instead of cutting this thing the rest of the way open, I'm just going to open the box. Alright, that was easy. Alright, got everything assembled. Checked all the fluids, added fluids, whatever. Couldn't resist, had to fire it up for just a second, warm it up, take it down the road. So I think I got 0.3 hour, I think is what it shows. Yeah, you probably can't see. So anyway, I'm going to take this thing tomorrow. Unsure which one I'm going to pair it up against first. I've got the options of a motocross track. I may take it there. I think the break-in for it will probably be a little bit better there. The other option is a big, long trail loop that we ride. It's very technical. I really like the 450 up there because of the Recluse clutch. It really, really helps. If I'm going to miss anything about this one, if it's going to be hard to compete with, it's going to be that Recluse. And I could put a Recluse in this one, but from what I gather, the first gear is real low. The luggability is real low for this two-stroke. I just don't know. It'll be yet to be seen, but I'm thinking I'm leaning more toward the motocross track tomorrow to give it its time to break it in nice and slow, work the suspension in a little bit more. I've got a race coming up in just a week, and I'd kind of like to get it through its break-in period because I may take it and try it out in that woods race. So, also, been meaning to make videos quite a bit, but I do a lot of stuff with this phone, and also got that going on. So if I get a mount for it, a chin mount or a chest mount, I'll figure out what's best, and I'll try to do some comparison videos. I think it'll be a little bit different than some of the others that you see, because the guys that test these things online and compare them to one another, they're a pro level rider. I'm just a slow vet guy. I think it'll be more relatable for most of the people wondering which one's best. And I don't know. I just bought this thing. I'm hoping that I hope that it's worth the money and really that much better. It would be great to see if I could, get rid of two and just primarily use one. That would be a lot better than having to swap from certain characteristics of one bike to another, So, and if that is the case, like I say, this one right here will end up getting a 6th gear. Probably end up getting all the stuff to make it street legal. And Supermoto maybe, I don't know. But I'll come back to you with a follow-up video. Probably going to be these two pairing up first. If I come back with something tomorrow, and maybe I'll have something with that GoPro. That way I don't have to ride around with a phone in my hand or having somebody trying to video me. So, all right.